Remember to stay hydrated. I stood in this very spot about a year ago, and I reviewed the Olight Javelot Mini. Give or take, it was about a year ago. Some of you will remember it. I compared it to this other Olight that I've had for almost 10 years, I think. I don't know exactly how long I've had this Olight, but a very long time, I know that. And I compared the Javelot to this, and this is one of their older Baton series, okay? And more recently, I purchased one of their newer Batons, which I'm also very impressed with. This is their little miniature Baton Turbo or whatever. It's called like Baton Turbo. It's got a very impressive turbo mode. Tiny flashlight with a bright output. That's their whole thing on this. Recently, Olight sent me an email, and they offered to send me this. This is their newest generation of the Baton. This is the Baton4 Pro. The Baton4 Pro, I can honestly say this is a very interesting flashlight. But before I say what it is, allow me to say what it's not, okay? If you're expecting this to be a high-performing, tactical, life or death SWAT team flashlight, that's what it's not, okay? However, that doesn't matter because it's still an amazing flashlight. It's just not as good as their Javelot, which has an extremely impressive throw range. This has a very good spill, and it illuminates everything with a good soft light. And also, it just the features on it, you can activate it through here, or you can activate it through the back, and it does have the momentary on-off, which is something I complained about the other Batons years ago. I was complaining that they didn't have momentary on-off, and so you could push this into service in tactical situations. There's a very interesting L-shaped mounting bracket thing that you can glue to stuff that came with this. I actually glued it to my nightstand, which is where this particular one's going to be kept. And I think that's pretty cool because you know, a lot of the things around here are already magnetic, but my nightstand, my huge bed frame thing isn't made out of metal, it's made out of wood. So having this roll around up there would be kind of annoying, so now I can just magnetically attach it to its little stand. I think that's pretty cool. Also, if you're annoyed with their proprietary chargers, we got USB-C now. That's something we nagged them about for years, and they actually listened to us. With 3 clicks, you get strobe. It has a strobe light, so you have momentary on-off, you have strobe, you have USB-C. This is starting to look like the flashlight that has everything we asked for. In terms of sheer lumen output, okay, yeah, sure, my other flashlights beat this. But in terms of practical use, this thing really, really beats a lot of flashlights. And not just a lot of Olights, it beats a lot of flashlights. And when I saw the price tag on this, full disclosure, I got this thing for free. They sent it to me for free. But I went and checked the price tag on Amazon. These are going for about $70.
Here's the low setting. Here's the medium setting. Here's the high setting. And if you hit twice, it does turbo, but you can't even see much of a difference between high and turbo. You hit 3 times, you get strobe. The strobe is pretty good. Not the best I've seen, but decent.
Who is this flashlight for? It's for guys like me that want an extra Olight to keep next to their bed while the other ones are charging. That's the use case for me. This specific one is going to forever stay next to my bed, and it could be pressed into service in a certain emergency situation if all my other ones die or if everybody else is borrowing them and I can't find a flashlight. It's a redundant option. For me, it's a redundant backup light, but for the average 20-year-old watching this that doesn't have a lot of money, this is your light, okay? You could go to Walmart and you could get that crappy Ben & Howell tack light bullcrap. That stuff's going to fall apart on you. I'm telling you, after about a year, it's going to stop working. The batteries and the circuitry inside there is finicky. Those things aren't made right. Those little Walmart flashlights, those are BS. Spend the extra $60 or so and get this instead, and you'll be very happy with it. It'll probably last you a good 10 years. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube-y stuff. Check out the merchandise that I sell. Some pretty cool stuff. Stretchy rash guard material. I sell camouflage products as well. Just check it out. I don't care if you buy anything. You might see something you like in my store. You never know. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.